In this video, we'll review the installation process for the 16-inch Comfort Station InWall. You will need a utility knife, a Phillips head screwdriver, an electric drill with assorted drill bits, a countersink drill bit, and 4 number 8 or number 10 2-inch flathead screws. Before installation, verify the rough opening for the InWall is the correct size and the plumbing specifications are met. First, drill 2 countersunk screw holes on each side of the unit. Insert the InWall into the rough opening, keeping the face frame tight against the wall. Confirm that the unit is level. Secure the raised side to the studs with 2 number 8 by 2.5-inch flathead screws. Then secure the other side with the remaining 2 screws. And reconfirm that the unit is level. Place the access panel in position. Tuck the top panel under the sink, tilt into place, and lower to secure the panel. Finally, secure the knob to the bottom right corner of the mirror. Please visit the 16-inch Comfort Station InWall section of our website to download the full install manual.